in the last year or so, or in the last couple of years, I have worked on a few mental drills. Spent a bit of time with an expert who can help me with, improving my reaction time and some mental drills and games that you can play that help you get better with your reaction time and stuff like that. It's I think a lot of other sports use it. I've seen this in Formula One quite a lot, and I picked this up from one of the guys that I've worked with in Salzburg. I'm closely associated with Red Bull, so I had the opportunity to go there and work with some of the coaches that work with the elite Formula One guys and other adventure sports people who, require a lot of this, mental side of the game. So I've worked on that, and I guess that's the only thing that's been different in the last year or so. But yeah, I've always enjoyed batting long periods of time. Even when I was growing up, even when I played junior cricket, I always enjoyed batting long hours, and I could focus for long hours. But I think a bit of this has just helped me in the last few years. I'm just trying to do what is necessary on that day and what I feel can give me the best result on that possible day. And for now, I feel, or for this innings, I felt like that was the way to go. And when I'm opening the batting, obviously I need to. There's a lot more responsibility for you to get your team off to a good start and make sure that you have a solid base set up for the rest of the batters to come, or for you yourself to go ahead and score a big knock and get a lot of runs on the board. So that's more or less what I think about. There are pockets in the ground that I feel I need to score off, and that can change with every wicket and every innings and every day. It's about how I feel that day and what is the plan that I come up with in the moment, in the middle, and try and execute it. Of course, there's a little bit of disappointment because I think we were in a really good position when I think even till just before tea time, I think we were in a really good position. Obviously, me and Rishabh got that long partnership, but we both got out. He got out just before lunch and I got out right after lunch. That wasn't ideal. So you had two set batters in the top five who'd gotten off to a start. So ideally you want one of them or both of the batters to go on and get a big score, and that's how you sort of get ahead in the test match. So yes, that is disappointing. A lot of players got starts and we couldn't convert it and get bigger scores that would have put us ahead of the test match. But as it stands, I think it's quite even.